LeetCode 136 single number. So here if we see as an example, we have to return a single number. So if we see here, so 2 available 2 times and only 1 is available, so we have to return it. In another example, if we see, so we have 2 availables 2 times and 1 available 2 times as well, so we return a 4 over there. And there must always be a single number exist in array. So now let's try to solve this. For this, the simplest solution would be we can either go with the XOR operator or a map uh, logic. So here if we see, if we create some kind of map and map here, okay, and uh, use an index operator I over here. So as per the iteration, what we do, we simply maintain how the count of each variable. So initially, our I pointing to 4. So what we do, we increment the 4 by 1. The next iteration, we have 1. So what we do, simply add in our map and uh, start its value to 1. In the next iteration, we have a 2. So we add another, the 2 equals to 1. Now again we check if the value of 1 is exist in the map, then what we do, we increment previous value with the plus 1. So now 1 plus 1 would become 2. In the next iteration we have a 2, so again this would become 2. So we get this map, and in the end what we can do, we can simply iterate over this and check if any of this value is 1, then we can simply return over there. So for this, we will the space complexity would be of n because we are storing all things in a map, and time complexity would be of n because we were iterating through array just once. So let's try to write a code for this. Let map equals to map or hash equals to empty object, and then we iterate through. We can use off or in. Let's go with off here so that we can uh, directly has a character, and we check if map array C available. uh, we can do map array C available, then do plus 1, and there is a possibility that this will not exist, so we can do simply 0 plus 1 here, because initially if we see 2, so 2 will not exist. So what we do here, it will become 2 equals to 1. 0 plus 1 would become 1. In the next iteration, this would become this will give us 1, and then we can simply increment it by 1. 1 plus 1 become 2. Then is the iteration, we simply push it with 1. And now what we can do, we can create another for loop to and we can simply check if nums, if map array current element, we have to iterate on map element. If map array I equals to 1, then simply return map then simply return character over there, because we have to return not its not its value, but a key. Okay, map. Oh, okay, this is an object. For object, we have to go either with the in operator or we have to go with the simple for loop. Okay, map. Okay, it's saying that we the one is string and it must be integer, so we can do simply parse integer or simple integer number. You can use anything. So yeah, this one is working fine. Hopefully you get it.